In the last episode, we learned that the structural integrity was not to code in the home that we had just bought. It initially was a cottage, and it was raised up onto a foundation and then expanded and renovated a number of times since. The top floor and walls sat on a set of strong railroad ties that were structurally sound at some point, but after we took the walls and the floors off, we realized that they were cracked and crooked. Oh, and they were covered with poisonous creosote. We wanted to have a home that was strong, safe, and plumb. So we said to ourselves, let's bring the house down.
Let's bring the house down.
The interesting challenge is that we couldn't knock the house over. We just invested in a brand new roof, so the Perry Home guys brilliantly went to work to start replacing every single piece of original wood in the house with new 2x6 boards in 12 to 24 foot sections. Rebuilding a house from the roof down. Sweet. I filmed the next scene every single day for a period of 2 weeks as the guys demolished and rebuilt our home without compromising the integrity of the new roof.
Let's bring the house down.
What I admire most about our builders is their resilience to the insanely cold winter. Ragged Point is a windy part of the river, and at minus 20 degrees weather, it's a tough environment to work in. But these guys push forward without complaint. It was so cold, in fact, that apparently this was one of the only winters in a long time that the cove froze over, as the currents and the tides here are really, really strong, making it very difficult for the water to freeze. Our new neighbor, Russell, took advantage of the newly frozen ice, which of course attracted Kaya to her new winter playground to join.
Let's bring the house.
Put the puck in the net.